welcome to my channel. I'm going to come on here really quick to do this wig review with you guys. I did receive a 13x4 lace frontal straight human hair wig, 180% density wig from Bangjazz, and it's absolutely amazing. I really love this wig. The lace on it was not hard to tint either. I have been wearing it for a couple of hours. My baby hairs are, as you can see, they're all over the place, but I really do love this wig. It's 24 inches long. I'm 5'4", so on me it's pretty long. But yeah, you guys, I'm going to come on here and share this beautiful wig with you guys. When I turn around, it's pretty long and it's silky. So yeah, you guys, I'm gonna link the link to this wig down below. Also, you guys, I wanted to point out that this wig is jet black, but it does have like slight brown low lights. And yeah, like I mentioned before, it's 24 inches. So I just wanted to come on here and do this quick little cute review with you guys. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Join the rest of the beauties. Follow my Instagram at BeautyYYDOLL. And I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Let me know if you guys like these wig review videos so I can know to keep posting them for you guys. So yeah, I love you guys so much, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Bye guys.